everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of ATS Group biggest plotted township new launch ATS Homecraft Estate located in Sector 22D Yamuna Expressway, Greater Noida. In this video, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, amenities, plot sizes, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom bid price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 75 acres, having multiple sizes of 300 plots with 70 plus amenities and great connectivity. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located in Sector 22D Yamuna Expressway, Greater Noida, from where JP Sports City is only 8 minutes and upcoming nearest metro station is at a 3-minute drive. Noida International University is only 15 minutes and Galgotia's University is only 14 minutes. Delhi Noida Direct Expressway is 45 minutes. Noida International Airport is also only at a distance of 25 minutes from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has ultra luxurious amenities with 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, 12 acres green park, swimming pool, gym, forest cafe, kids play area and many more. Talking about the plot sizes, this project has 3 types of plot sizes. First, 150 square yards. Second, 210 square yards. An internal road of 12, 18 and 30 meters. Talking about the USP, here the plot will be on your name, which means the ownership of the plot will be transferred to you, unlike other plotted projects where they usually don't do it. Here there is no time foundation, which means you can construct a plot within 1, 2 or 5 years totally as per your choice. And the most important USP, you will get ATS Group Trust, which means you can be rest assured that your plot is safe in terms of legal assurance and there will be no encroachments, etc. As the whole township will be managed by ATS Group. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project is now open. The client can come and visit the site and the sales team will show you the project actual location, will give you complete details of the project and will also give you plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10 lakhs. The token will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discount, preference and inventory selection, which means the token holders will be called first to choose their preference of plot. The token will also be 100% refundable, which means if the client doesn't want to go ahead for any reason, they will be refunded the 100% amount of the token.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.